Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Honor of Kings game crashing, not working, not launching, lagging or other issues on Android phone. So the very first thing what you need to do is restart your device once. So for that, simply press the power plus volume up button and then select restart option. So after your device restarts, now check if you can play the game. If not, you should check the network connection is stable or not. Make sure your network connection is stable. For that, either you are using Wi-Fi or mobile data, you need to check it and make sure there is a strong internet connection to play the game. If not, next is to force stop the game. So for that, hold the game icon over here, then click on info and then click on force stop and then click on OK. So this will force stop the game, and after that try to launch the game and check if it is working. If not, next is to clear cache of the game. So for that, go to the app info of the game. Now click on storage and cache option, and here you can see clear cache option. You simply need to click on clear cache, and after that check if the problem is resolved and you can play the game. If not, here you should check if there is any update available for the game. So for that, go to the Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Honor of Games or wherever you have downloaded the game, and if there is any update available, you simply need to update your game and then check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, you should also check if there is any update available for your phone. So as for that, go to settings and then go below, and here you need to click on system update and then check if there is any update available. If there is any update available, simply click on update option and then launch the game and see if it's playing or not. If not, the final solution is to reinstall the game. So for that, hold the Honor of Kings game icon and then click on the uninstall icon over here and then click on uninstall option. So once done, now restart your phone once. After restarting, go to Google Play Store and search for the game and install it, and after that try to play the game and see if it helps to fix the problem. So these are few suggested solutions that will surely help to fix Honor of Kings game crashing, not launching, not working, keep stopping error on Android phones. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.